Oh, is this thing on? Yeah. Let's get a mic check 1 2. Hello. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? Um, in the simulator, I have a sim short. I don't know. I don't need to show that. I am okay. So I have already passed. I've already completed the um daily profit goal on 2 of these. So let's see. I'm on 48 now. Is that right? Decision. Yeah, 48. All right. And now I'm sim testing something sim short. In the fact that we are to me, yes, we're going higher. Yes, we're going higher. So I'm waiting for something to tell me that I can trade higher. Um, in process for me. But here's the deal. There we go. There we go. Down to 1. Oh, it closed it all out. Oh, no, it didn't. No, it didn't. Oh yeah, 1 left. For 83.75. 83.75. Now, look at this right here. Close your eyes. That's 1350 cars. Okay. When this dropped, here's the backdrop of this, right? When this dropped, the CME or some other market maker had to say, no, it's gotten too far too quickly, meaning the futures price may have gotten ahead or behind the cash price. Right here. Right here. So this is all the marbles. We don't know what they're going to do. Look, they're leaning into it again. What do they do? I don't know. Um, Inversely, same thing if it goes higher. Oh. Here's what everybody has drawn. Remember that. So think about that. If everybody thinks that they're the best trader in the world, don't we test down here first? That's what I'm actually testing in the simulator. Now, am I bullish? Yes, because I think we have to fill this gap up here. Right? There's 2 of them. I'm going to give you the lay of the land, and I'm not going to say it again. 1, and here's the more important one. 2, right there. Because that one gapped through what? The VWAP. They threw that VWAP out like it was nothing. Now this is a sim, okay? Testing, right? You can see my live account scores here. Looking good, looking good, looking real good. Now I'm on to the 3rd one. Hi, Andy. Hi, Bones. Ooh, okay. Um, we are Elijah. Copy. Tell me you can see it. Make Elijah, make sure you have YouTube on your computer. Everybody, stand by. Microsoft is about to give us the old swizzle stick. I know you do. I know. Stand by, everybody. Microsoft is about to give us the old facial. So bear with us. If you are having any sort of problems with any of your programs, the Microsoft update is mandatory. All right. Now, what I'm waiting for while this thing just does whatever it's going to do. Okay. Last thing I'm going to say, we need a volume spike. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Now, I should still be long in my live account. However, the accounts that I were in hit the profit target. So I can't be, right? I'm going to step away for just a second, folks. We've got 8 minutes, 35 seconds till magic happens. It could go any direction. It could go no direction. Sideways is a direction. Stand by. Okay, lock in. Here we go. 20 seconds. Here we go. Okay, watch your bids and offers dry up into nothing. You guys smell that burning? You guys smell that? That's the smell of all the top step accounts. That's the smell of whatever that is getting hot in my pocket. Ew. Respect. Walk. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Respect. Okay, respect your stops. Respect. Respect. Stop. Walk on home. Hey, watch that 95-25 tape. He bought them all, and they said, "Oh, thank you." Facial. Look at this right here. He's like, they're like, "Oh, I'm sorry. You said 95-25. I thought you said 89-25. I'm sorry. I got the order mixed up." All right, 20 seconds till we see something here on the 2 minute chart. I don't really want to buy into the high, except it is a beautiful ribbon of the candle. Son of a biscuit eater, right where the news is about to clip. 94.50. Let's see. So I wanted to come back. I have already passed 2 accounts in their daily profit. I'm working on a third one. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to play with, and a little tiny cash account there that I'm not messing with right now because I'm working myself out of the old gutter ball. Forget about the curveball, Ricky. We've cleared the 93s. Yeah, we need that. Okay, we got that on the downtick, right? So now we need more of that on the uptick, right? Think about how that works, right? So look, and what I'm talking about, folks, is look at all this up here. All right, okay, we need it on the downtick. Now we need more of it on the uptick. Right now they're too scared. They need to buy it, right? He needs to hit market. And now here's the deal. Just like G-Man says, don't blink. Because it's going to be too late, whatever action was supposed to be taken. Are you putting the play on, or are you unsuspectingly a part of the play? That's for you to figure out. If you can't, when you sit down at a poker table and you can't spot the fish, well, odds are I like 98.50. If I don't get filled on my ad, I like 98.50. And I'm going to cry when it's at 0250. So prepare for whining. Don't blink. The mystery. For whom the bell tolls. Time marches on. For whom the bell tolls. Oh, there's the meridian threshold of that FVG. Oh, we've got it drawn. 97.20 is that right? Or is it 97 even? Yep, 97.25. Here we go. Lock it in. Okay, stops up. Not giving this back, folks. Do not give this back. No. Now, would it be perfect for them to come back and scoop up my stop? Yes, but are they going to come back and scoop it up at 90? No, they're not. Come on. One more buyer. And then I'm going to cry when it's at 0250 and I'm supposed to close. Now, 98.50 is in my plan. You see this? Let's go. There you go. Just like that. Just like that. That's how you do it, boys and ladies. Follow the money. Follow the money. Follow the money. Look, what was the money? What was the money? Pay attention. Money. He has way more money than all of you, all of us combined, right? Free fall got stopped at 89. Perfect. Everything is perfect. Why is 89 significant? Well, you should know that answer. I don't need to tell you. No, that makes it hard to read, doesn't it? No, that makes it easier to read. Okay, we're going to take a vote. Elijah, will you put a vote up for me, please, sir? Vertical or horizontal? And we'll leave the vote up for a while because I want you guys to be able to read it. You know what I mean? When it's for me, when it's in vertical, it looks like you guys aren't getting enough information. I didn't read the chat. You guys are too funny. Let's go. All right, we're 40% there on the next account. We just need a cool 6 points to not lock that next one in. No copy trading, not right now. It's a headache. Did we nail it, guys? Did we nail it? Listen. If we get going, it's 0317. Oh no. Yucky up here. Buying in or no, we're on the top side of that fair value gap. Oh yeah, buying on the bottom of it. It's class there. So now, just to be clear, folks, what actually creates a fair value gap? I want to see if you guys actually know this. Okay, it's a term. Okay, there's two words. Okay, now it's a business term, not some stupid YouTube internet nonsense term. Do you guys know what it is? The only way this thing can go is up. I don't mean that literally. I mean that figuratively, right? So the question is, where do they find the draws on liquidity lower, right? 95, 89? Or does it go straight to 0317? Come on, dip and rip. I do not like that lower high. I do not like that lower high. Little flaggy there. Come on, sweep the leg. No toasty marshmallows. I knew this one was late, but I had to take the trade though. I can't just neglect when it's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. I would love to get a perfect pullback re-entry. 95 on your 5 minute. Ooh, noise is all the way back there at 90. Yeah. Look at how it ran right into this noise. In this noise, this is perfect. Because here's why. Look at how many times, if we go to the 15-minute chart, watch this. And this is just an observation. I don't know what it's going to come, amount to. Okay, but look at how we've skipped through this noise once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. What do they do with it now? I don't know. I want to find out. I want to find out. I want to find where they draw. Hey, Cunliffe, let's go. No, the answer, all right. I'm going to give you the real answer, and I want you guys to remember this for the rest of your life. Okay? It's called a markup or markdown. Someone had too much inventory, okay, or too much demand in direct relation to the supply or the demand. So therefore, there was a markup or markdown after accumulation or distribution, which could involve absorption or liquidation. Those are the actual business terms, not any of the ICT made up nonsense. Real terms. Mr. Ronnie, you're number 3. Keep typing, buddy. 99.50 coming. Look at the perfect hold on the 5. Look at that. Look at the perfect hold on the 15. Look at that. Decision coming in. Now, to be very clear, I have a bias in the market right now, and it is that the 45 is in control right now. What was that? That was crazy. That was crazy. Look at the tape. Look at this. What? What? That he tried to sell it. He was like, "Hold on, he's like, hold on a minute. I might need some of that. Might need some of that first." Oh, ninety-seven 25 over under. Ooh, selling. Like I said, the failed. So right here, you have a lower high. Right, that's got to get fixed. I am long on the sweep the leg 97.25 target. 97.20. He gets the 97.25 on the sweep the leg at 95, folks. There's no way. How did he know? How did he know? I'm absolutely kidding, by the way. I did take the trade. Decision 5 minutes. You see it? Yellow line. Come on. 4 more ticks, and now I got a lot of weight off here. Come on now. 4 more ticks, and I got a lot of weight off here. Oh, did anyone take the 94.75 long with me? Or, sorry, 95 long with me? Yes, 850. Agree, and then smack right into 99.75 G. 99.75. So that's why I've got a 99.50. Well, that coincides. Excuse me. 99.50 is actually where it could tap out. 99 even now. 99.25 now. Oh, they're going to jerk someone around. Here it comes. Who's ready? '94 stop. I don't love it. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I don't hate it. I need 98.50 to kick rocks. Please. Ever so kindly. Any breakout here will put me into profit on this account, and I'll have to close it. So, well, let's see if it works. Trying to get through this pink bar here, struggling at 98. 98.50 seller can kick rocks. He's got all you can eat. So I need to be real careful here. Yep. I see it. The problem is, do they draw on my stop first and then go 99? Right? That is plausible. Now, while most people are watching the candlesticks, Okay, not only am I watching the candlesticks and all these cool little levels, I'm watching the tape inside the candlesticks using the footprint. Okay. He's trying to sell 675. Is he going to be successful here? He might be. I have a small stop. I'll still be green if I get stopped out here, I think. Yeah, it'll be real close. In this third account. Do they hunt the 87 first? 87, not 97. That's on the 45-minute chart. If not, the sellers could get impatient. I'm not saying we're going up. Yes, I am. Insecure delusion. 97.75 on the 5-minute tape needs to go away. They're going to sweep that 94. Oh, God. Watch. And then they're going to take it up. It's okay. It's okay. I will still be green if they do it. It'll be flat, actually. They're leaning. And they're pulling the bid. I should have moved my stop up on this one. That's okay. It's 3 trades in one, and it's been very successful. Yeah, I see that. Big snake at 90. 5-minute snake at 90. 95 by 97.75. There's nothing above us, though. Okay. There's a ton above us. Do we go back to noise or do we go signal? Think about it. Think about it. That's let it tell us. Let it tell us. They have to find a buyer on the uptick, not just the downtick. Because they have to say, oh, okay, well, here's the new buyer. There he is. Yeah, give me another signal and we'll play, right? Until then, I'm chilling. I have drug-free baby oil. And here's the best part about like when you get in the flow state, right? You don't care which way it goes. Right? You don't care if you get stopped out. You're like, all right, cool. Let's go. Okay, big decision, 775, right? Just like we talked about. 5 even, 525 and 775. And it's a complete devastation for the longs if 775 does not print and fails. A lot of volume at 96 quarter. Decision, 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 decision. As G-Man would say, don't blink. Uh-huh. 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 Decision right here, right here. And here, when I say decision, look, I don't know which effing way it's going to go. I'm the observer, right? Look, even though I'm participating in the market right now, all I can do is observe. That's it. Okay. And act accordingly, right? A decision point, 30-second chart right here on 97.75. Here it comes. Don't blink. Decision, up or down right here. 94 or 00 even right here. Right here, right here. Back up, back up. Back up, back up. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, rolling, rolling. Yes, I'm listening to Limp Bizkit. You don't care, then we don't care. It wasn't supposed to print 775 for the sellers. Uh-oh. Okay, now this could do a quick wick, so have some targets up here. Okay, be part of the liquidity process up here, because think about it. Line breaks don't work like people think they do, right? So we want to be able to snap into the stop level, okay, and reduce the risk. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. You can't mess with Limp Bizkit. Every day and every night. Get some better rhymes. Okay, there's the buyer, right? So now, do they sabotage him or do they join him? $98 by tape. 98 by 98 half on tape. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. And if we don't print 99, this is very bearish. If we don't print 99 and run or sweep or draw, this is very bearish. Or grab. What are the words? Grab, sweep, and run, right? Those are not real words, right? 30-second crime scene. Decision point, 7 even. This has to go back above there real quick. That was the end of it there, folks. That's got to go up real quick here. They got to find a buyer on the downtick and a buyer on the uptick. Oh, if they print 99 right here, it's the perfect slap. It's the perfect slap. Okay, now I don't know if it's going to rip through 99, but think about that. The one tick trick dickle. Think about that, what it would do, right? You could draw on a one tick. Okay, which is either, well, it's okay, it's either going to trigger a bunch of stops where there's going to be a lack of liquidity, or it's going to draw where there's a bunch of liquidity and it's just going to reverse. Love this. Love this. This is beautiful. This is a beautiful pinprick here. Beautiful pinprick on the 2-minute chart. Can we get them? It's got to print 99 even to trigger anything. Anything. Very bearish if it doesn't. Cat's eyes. Don't forget to vote on whether you like the vertical or horizontal layout. I have to reduce some risk here. I can't risk. I'm going one more out at 850. I'm going to join that. Okay. And then if it rips, cool. Because I only need about another 3.5 points to be done with this account. I like it, Joey. You can buy it at 99 all you want, brother. Do they have the muster? Right? Do they need to come back one more time? Okay. One left. And I'm going for the top. I'm going for this next gap here, right? Because it's the gap where everybody was supposed to be long, right? Think about where the old losing you lost all the money. Where did all the old losing you lose all your money? Okay. Missing this whole effing thing up. And you go, oh, well, I'm going to start buying right here. And then they smack you in the face, right? And it goes all the way down here. You didn't buy it down here. You went short down here. So then they smack you in the face up here. Okay. So that's what we're doing here. See it? Good.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
Either you're part of the choreography of this, okay, or somehow you're a not you did not give permission to be in the play, but somehow you're in the play. All right, so which one are you? Right? There's no randomness in this, guys. Otherwise, how could people make fortunes? Okay, what all of this is ran off of emotion. Human behavior. '98 Mancini. I think they're going to sweep '94 and then take it, right? Right down into that '92 VWAP. Uh, 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 um, 97 30 seconds CS. So it's the 32nd. Absolutely, it is, and we got to follow. And what we watch for is the 45-minute blue holds. Now here's the scary part. 45-minute has a massive snake underneath us here. Oh no, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait, guys. Like never before. There's going to be some stops down here. Careful, everybody. Careful, because look at how they're running the time off the clock on the 2-minute kiss chart here. Right. Now look. Like I said, they had to close above 99. They didn't close above 99. Not yet. Not yet. I'll wait for clarity. Right. It'll give me more trades. There will be a lot more trades. Mucho más. Endless, actually. Endless trades, actually. Only 14 votes on whether we should be vertical or horizontal in on the charts. So far, it's vertical, 79%. Get your vote in. Smash the like button. Like never before. Ooh, did they get my last little contract there? I sold 96. That's okay. Spoon Man. Speak the rhythm all alone. Come together with your hands. Save me. 97's crowded, fam. Very crowded. All my friends are brown and tan. Hey, got a lot of volume at 97. Come together with your hands, save me. Come on, come on, come on. Show me the top side of this bad boy. Show me. I don't mind. Um, 98 or 96 from right here. Quickly, quickly. Watch. Here it comes. And I don't know which one. And if it goes 96 first, I'm just going to close. If it goes below it too fast. 98 should push, right? So, and the reason you're looking at that, and the reason I say that is you're starting to get some pinprick action. And so let's see which way they prick them out of here, right? And if I do, if I get if I get a painted bar, I will take it long. Bye bye. $40. Oh man, they're gonna hit my target right as it gives us another buy signal. Are you kidding me? 7 seconds. Oh, don't do it. Don't film me. Don't film me. Don't film me. Don't film me. That's okay. There's no signal, but I am out at 99. Out at 99. Good. That was perfect. Perfect tape read. 97. You guys see it? Look at right here. Okay, now we could start to climb. 97. Your stop was 95. Now they can take this bitch up. Okay, 50s, 250s, 450s, 650s. Okay, watch up here if they get through it, right? It has not closed above 99 yet. And I know. Now, the buy signal was at 98.75. However, you wouldn't have been filled. There isn't a painted bar. Okay, but look at the characteristics of it right here. Ouch. Right? Let's go, folks. Let's go. Unfadable. I have not lost tape count once today. I take that back. I lost tape count once. 03, 0550, 03, 0550. They're going to push. If they're going to take this, look at the 15-minute spreads. They're going to take this straight through this. Okay, now here is the outlay. All right, I'm gonna do a quick step outside, walk around the block real quick. I'm gonna gain my composure here. Here's what I'm doing. Every time that I think I've got this fucking game figured out, let me tell you what I do. I tell myself I don't know shit. Okay, so next time you get high on your horse and you start beating your chest, okay, walk outside and tell yourself I don't know shit. I'm gonna do that right now because I just got the God complex. That doesn't exist in trading. They will smoke me like a pack of cigarettes if I start getting cocky. Okay, they will smoke me. Stepping away for a minute. We'll go into power hour. We'll win this last hour like gangsters. Let's go. 47-year-old balding fat white gangsters. Okay, hold if you have some. We need to wait for the next rotation, unless you're still long. If you're long, hang out with Mel there. Um, hang out with Mel, right? It is hot outside. Wow. Where is Art P? Is he on vacation or is he got a job, right? Is anyone in contact with him? Because I know he was really starting to he's really starting to see it, but here's the thing. He's following the advice off the charts. Okay? And that's the true way to do it. Okay? Wow, it is hot outside. Angry, get angry. That's that. Did someone forget to check on the fluffer? Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. This area here on the 15 minutes, the whole kit and caboodles, right? So now watch, right? Think about this. Think about this. Well, here's what we're going to talk about today, folks. We're going to talk about fair value gaps. And when we talk about fair value gaps, we want to make sure that it's exactly the same as the rest of the effing world to see it so they can slaughter me. So hold on, let me show you how they're going to slaughter me. All right, so think about this. We have it the same way, but we have better numbers, right? Right? Because here's why. Because we understand that this is a bunch of horse shit. That's not what I meant to say. Okay, what I meant to say is this is markup, okay, absorption, and markdown, right? That's it. That's what it is, right? Just they distribute it back, right? So now that they've accumulated it back down, okay, in noise, right? So, I mean, look, they can stall all they want, right? I mean, you don't hear me going order filled, order filled. I'm flat. Let me confirm I say that. Yeah, I'm flat. I'm only trading one account at a time. Using the trade copier seems to be kind of my crux here. So just trading one account at a time, you know. So I really am up. There's 20 points. There's 26, 27 points. That's not trade copiered, right? So that would be a true static net 27 gross, right? Okay, I want to see 94's price action first. Okay, I want to see 89. I want to see 89. Okay. Oh man, there's so many levels we could talk about right now. Joey, 97 on your 30. I didn't mark 98. It's 97.50. 97 here. I'll show everybody what we're talking about. Look at this right here. When price goes through blue and red, when white is outside, you draw a yellow line. It's that simple. Okay? It's that simple. Don't make it more complicated than it is. Listen, that is what's called, listen, noise. Signal is when they fan out and they go red, white, blue, or to the upside, or red, white, blue to the downside. Now I have homeboy on there because hold on, what is this thing doing? Why is it not? There, I was pushing the wrong button. Sorry about that. I have a blue face guy here on there still because there's people that are long from way lower. There's people that waited to draw on liquidity and they became a part of the liquidity process correctly in the auction down here. Let me. I'm looking at my chart. I'm pointing at my chart like you guys could see it. Down here. So we're waiting for a draw, right? Right. Tell us something, right? Tell us something. Tell us anything. Show us, like, and now it could even be a beautiful tape draw, right? We could even create something where we would say it's something like a tape draw, right? When it's really just a buyer coming in, hitting market, right? And he goes through the absorption. And so then if he goes through the absorption and it pushes it higher, it's just going to be a repricing, right? A markup. He's like, oh yeah, I own them. Now you got to pay me for them. I don't know. I didn't, folks. I didn't mean to spam that. If you got spammed, I don't know why. Oh, Elijah, do you see that? Oh no, I was pushing the wrong button. uh, yeah, sorry. Anyway, follow me on Twitter. If you're not watching me on x.com at the sage underscore sage FT. Sorry, I'm doing echo vision here because I'm breaking my rules by messing with the stream here. First, so from now on, folks, trading comes first, reading the tape comes first. So if you're typing to me, hit a super chat. We're about making money over here, right? We're about following the process, and following the process means not bantering when we're supposed to be bartering. Notice the 50 line. Notice the 50 line on your RSI. Now, wouldn't that be where they could do a perfect draw too? Ah, good. Pantera coming in, blowing some Pantera in the speakers as we come into the final 40 minutes of trading. Ladies and gentlemen, we're sitting at an even number, 6300. Retail traders love it. Computers don't think twice of it. You heard? It's a bunch of garbage. It's a bunch of garbage. O3 Mancini to the tick. It doesn't get any cleaner. Camillo, where are you at? We are gonna poop bomb your house if you don't get a hold of us. Folks, where's Camillo? Ooh, there's Isaiah. Yo, Isaiah. Ooh, there's the old swoop. Lock in. Oh, think about how many times old losing you said, ooh, red tape, red tape. There is a test long at 99.75 that I actually missed. Oh, right. How could I miss that? Oh, because I was busy messing with Isaiah. So 99.75, your first target would be 150. Two R is 350. I'm not in the trade. You would have heard the noise. And I would have used sim. Because it is a test. This bar right here, let me just show you. That's a buy signal. Oh. On the simulator. Whoa. On the sim, I'm buying. Sim, correct. Let me confirm. I hope. Sim. Yep. Oh, 5 target sim. And the reason it's in sim is you see that there's no painted bars here, so there's no trade. So sim. The buyer bottom 175s. He says, give them to me, give me 05. Right, boys? Ryan, are you here yet? Ryan was over there haggling with a car dealership. Okay, they just bought him again at 03. They got to own them. Look at that. Look at the 03s. Over and over again, who can we get on the case? We need. There's your target. Ding! It's going to ding. Just my stuff is frozen here. There's your 05s, folks. That's how you tape read. That's how you do it. Let's go. Again. Because it's in the simulator, it's going to look like it's not filling because I'm saving. There it is. Because I'm saving the workspace, and so the sim orders are internal, right? Okay, so here, let me show you. It's kind of a three part trade here. So tape, right? So we get the little white bar, and I'm just testing this, but this is what I see, right here. So where's the tape to confirm? 30, even. Okay, then he buys again at 175. So we're watching this, right here. Okay, then he's like, oh shit, I gotta own it. Another look, his boss is standing behind him. You better buy this, you douchebag. Why is it going up and we're not in this, right? No, that's not actually what's happening. But think about that scenario, right? So they own it again up here, right? But see, when they own it up here, this is where we say, oh, you own it, do you? Okay, cool. Well, we have something for you own an ass, right? And we are top tick at 05. Let's go. So now, if this moves back down, you're watching the same thing on the downside. How do you guys like that for tape reading, huh? Not too many people in the world can not only do it, trade it, and explain it. Not too many people in the world can do that. Hit the like button if you enjoyed that. It's exhausting. So if you think I'm going to do this for free, you're wrong. The only thing I ask you to do is hit that like button. Trading is one of the most exhausting things on the planet. And we got 35 minutes to the closing bell. Ah, Isaiah, I'm going to email you. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, some limp biscuit. Let's go. A generation. Women to the right. Cause I'm TNT. I'm dynamite. Boom, boom, boom. Don't forget, Take Profit Trader has 50 cent commissions on micros, folks. 50 cent. Take Profit Trader, 50 cent commissions. All right, we're gonna move what's his name? I'm gonna put caution on because there is a topping pattern only in the fact that it looks like they have found a pocket of liquidity on the tape, and it's the buyer. Let's see what they do with this right here and this right here, right there. I don't know what they're going to do, but let's see. Do they smash it right through? I may have taken him off a little early. I'm going to put yellow. Let's see. Take this off. Put him on. Put yellow on. If you're long from much lower, I'm a power low. And we'll go to the close. We'll do a little review. And then get up out of here. Go spend time with the kiddos. Hey, we got volume coming in at 0250. 0250. Everybody in the poll here. I think everybody chose vertical, right? Okay, vertical. Yep. Okay, we'll keep them vertical. Okay, I'm waiting for this to play out, folks. I have no idea what it's going to do. We got some volume coming through, and let's be observers, right? Let's not be participants. You guys ever tried that? Let me get a mic check. Yeah, we're on. Perfect. Good. Now, This is where traders get bored. What are you doing to not get bored? Okay, what are you doing to not try to be an observer? Like, what are you doing to observe as opposed to trying to participate in every little bink, 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 right? One thing you can do is zoom out. That's why I've got all these charts on. We're in the we're in the FV jizzle. Okay, let's see if they close above it, below it. Let's see if they go outside of it, and what do they do if they go outside of it? This is a very obvious place where all of the weak people that have watched YouTube think that they're going to find some sort of world-class sell signal right here. Okay? Because if they don't find that sell signal, they're going to get smoked like a pack of cigarettes. And it goes 1730. Is that what we figured out? 37. How many of you are the movie a fan of the movie Clerks? 49. Where's my 37? Here it is, right here on the 45-minute. Yep. How many of you are a fan of that movie Clerks? And really think it's funny when we say the number 37. 37? Is that including me? I've got extreme FOMO right here. Mandatory FOMO walk. I'll see you in 5. I don't have to trade again. I'm up 27 points. Net gross net, however you want to say it. Those are not trade copier profits that you see here. Not trade copier. And if we don't get another, here's the deal. If we don't get another trade in the next 10 minutes, nope. I may not trade. I may just coast into the old closing BZ and be done with this. Have had a wonderful day. It's juicy. It's juicy. Oh, 250's the tape. There's a buyer. I have no trades up here. This is where This is where you start nibbling, and then it goes down and starts to draw, and you have to move your stop down a little bit. Move your stop down a little bit, right? Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. I see it. 5 minute. Yep, I see it. Here comes Joey's sevens. Does it draw first? Does it just go straight to '07? Yes. I want to see what they do with 0250 if it comes back. Yeah, I'll probably just be a spectator the rest of the day. Nothing wrong with that for me. I'm green to the gills. The 15-minute 0450 has to release, Joey. You see it? Well, you already typed that in. Good, good, good. Oh, I need some chicken. I'm starving. They're going to force the algo to buy, Joey. And they're going to force him to pay up. Uh, That's a guess, by the way. I don't like that bar on the 30-second chart. I don't like that bar on the 2 minute. Here comes 250. Notice all of this nonsense. Look at your 15-minute chart. Just glance at it. And then look at your smaller time frame and go, "Oh yeah, that's why there's all this nonsense right here, right?" Let's see if the nonsense wins. Let's see. Because here's why I say that. When you look again, and I'm not saying this is going to happen. If you look again and there's 1900 offered at 10 even, what are you going to do if you are sell to open on a high? I'm not saying that's going to happen. What happens if it does? because it was a perfect test. Look at this. I adapt to the unknown. I have a 30-second CS at 950. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So I've got 97 and 950. $97.50 lines up on my 30-second and my 15-minute all at the same time. That is very unique. That is unique. Oh, they gave us something on the 2-minute finally. 1450, Joey. It's going. Joey, come on. Look at, they finally gave us something over here. About time. 1450. Quickly. Okay, you got 3 minutes till the red rummer. Now, I have no interest. Listen, I have no interest in participating in any of this. I will be an observer for the rest of the day. I don't mind narrating what I see, though. I will not even take a sim trade. Two and a half minutes till the red rum. Do they make him pay up? Do we get Joey at 07 first before the red rum monster comes through? I think you're going to get it, Joey. There's a nice little empty spot on the order flow for your level there, sweetheart. 0250 test first. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Or they're going to straight make this guy pay up. Here it comes. Watch, Joey's going to look smart for a minute here, guys. No pressure. No pressure, Joey. It's percolating as far as I can see. Yep. 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 17. Absolutely, my friend. We've said that all morning, haven't we? Wherever I may roam. So it's really, the question is, do they get it to 3750 sooner rather than later? That's a perfect overnight trick, isn't it? I'm not saying they're going to. Okay, here we go. 1 minute until red rummel. Can Joey get his 07 clip? Make sure you have a limit order in there, everybody. Put your limit in. Here it comes. 35 seconds until red rummel. They're going to make them pay up. Let's see if they can stretch it on them. Let's see. 25 seconds. Push it before it goes. Okay, 20 seconds. Now, folks, there's no trade here, right? Joey's getting out at 07, right? Because he's front running the 775 that you can see here. Okay, here we go. 5 seconds. Joey needs 4 ticks. You're going to get it instantly. Boom. Boom. There you go, Joey. There you go. There you go. There you go. You're out. Yep. And chill. Netflix and chill. Good call. All right. Now, here's the deal. I know exactly how he did that. I'm going to tell you right now, I know exactly how he did that. Okay. That's a perfect thing to talk to your coach about. I know exactly how he did that, just so you guys know. Yeah. No more trades, Joey. No more trades, everybody. There's nothing left to do. We just called every single move all the way down, up, left, right, front, and center. Let's go, Joe. All right, traders. What a day. What a session. We did the afternoon session here. This is going to be the review for the afternoon FOMC minutes release session for the 9th of July, 2025. Well, all right. So what we have going on was sheer magic. And I'm just going to leave these charts right here. I don't need to show anything else, right? So what I want you to think about is, okay, and I'm not going to go into it because I've gone into it several times on the stream now. Okay, I want you to find noise and signal, right? And I don't care how you do it. I don't care what moving averages you use. I don't care. Okay, but I want you to find noise. Okay, define your noise, whatever noise is for you, and your signal, right? Because the algorithms that you're hunting and looking to trade with, not against, in the market, have found where to trip up the retail traders using, ready for it? Ready? Noise. Okay. And so what we do is we just find noise and then we find the signal. Okay. Not a trading signal. Signal. Okay. Where is the flow most obvious? Keep it very simple. Keep it very simple, right? If you just look at the charts, right? So the easiest way to see it, I'm not going to point it out, but I'm going to bring the chart in. Yeah, the easiest way to see it is where's the least amount of noise? Okay, and if you just look at this chart, okay, it's very obvious. But what I want to tell you is there's a lot of work that goes into using the context in which this is giving. Now, I'm not listening. Here's the deal. Oh, yeah, but you were teaching us about the KISS chart and the overtakes and this and that. Exactly. Yes, there's absolutely nothing different. Nothing is different. You're just seeing it graphically. Okay? Because here's what I could do. We could go to the daily chart. We could put the KISS chart up. Okay, and we could look at anywhere that it's out of line. Okay, AKA chop zone. Okay, let's go. Let's just go back over here. Chop zone. Noise. Signal. Not noise, right? Not noise. Signal. Noise. Signal. Look how this is a daily. This is the daily. Look how short the signal, the clear signal for selling was. Look at that. Look at that. That's mind-boggling, right? Then you have the largest move ever here, right? Okay, and then pull back into the repricing, right? And now look at us. All right. All right. Look at them going into new highs. That's going to do it for the review. We'll be here tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Let's see. Let me check the news on that real quick. Hold on one second here. Editor pause. Yeah. So here's the deal. Tomorrow I'll be in around 9 a.m. Right. Because there's absolutely no news tomorrow. So what I think is going to happen is they're going to run this overnight and then they're going to flag it out on the retailers. Okay. Or on the retail traders. Okay. Or they're going to do low volume trend. Right. That's the prediction for tomorrow. Those of you watching the recording for the review, that's going to do it. Those of you on the stream, we got 5 minutes left. Joey, 950. Joey. Is this unreal or what? Noise. I just got done saying it right now that we're not recording. Okay. Noise. New. Noise. Tudormore's long soul. Folks, watch this. Speaking of crypto, holy sheep nuts. Watch this. All of you, not just those of you still trying to learn. The sport is war, total war. All right, we'll just go like this. Okay, check this out. What? Where's the noise? Where's the noise? Everybody look at this. G-Man, are you seeing this? Okay, we don't need to look at stocks anymore. No, I mean, if you're here's the deal. If you're long, cool. I didn't mean not look at stocks. There's no more entering trades. We have 3 minutes left. Right? Do you guys see this? So where are we going? 163.41. All right, now, but watch this. Tudormore has a long. Oh, it's on my phone. Tudormore has a line break on Solana. Let's see if we can find it. Let's see if we can find it, right? Let's see if we're good enough to spot Tudormore's trade. Who's in? Okay, also the DXY could be coming up on one as well. Deep in the Rhine. Okay. Okay, done. Oh, wait, hold on. There's one more. Hold on. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my phone. I did not look at it when he sent it to me. I'm going to look at it and see if I got it right. Big buyer at 0850. Big buyer at 0850. 2,400 times. 2,400. It's too late to trade, folks. Yep, we got it right. We're good. We're that good. We're too good. Here's another one that he has drawn. The sport is war. Total war. Is that the real one that he has drawn? 2 closing bars. Let me look at it correctly. Because this is his bread and butter. This is what he makes all of his money on. Yep. And that is on the daily. Yeah, we're seeing that, right? Right? All right, there's his actual. Now, what we're trying to do, oh, that is some freaking volume. Look at that. That's beautiful. What we're trying to do is we're going to get Tudor locked in with this right here. Watch this. With this. And then he's gonna do his trades in relation to these levels. And then he's gonna call them for us. It's gonna be epic. You guys have no idea what's about to happen. Stay tuned. I'm trying to get him in a docs-free Discord name. All right, folks, that's going to do it for me. My kids are beautiful. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Folks, we crushed it. That's probably the best stream we've ever had. Who agrees? Okay, hit the like button if that's the best stream you've ever watched from me personally, right? Okay, for me, that's the smoothest inflow I've ever. That's the most inflow state I've ever traded. I'll see everybody tomorrow. Good night.